We've seen this go viral, but what we haven't seen is someone actually using it. It seems pretty floppy, so I'm concerned that it's not going to work. But if it does work, I am getting rid of all of these. All right, let's give it a try. It's the same material as my pot holders. Oh, that's metal. Okay, I see. They're little clips. Aw, they're little chip clips. That was easy. All right, we ready for this? Oh, it works. It works. And it's saving me from having to clean a strainer. Look, that's amazing. It's holding back all the noodles. It's a little bit slower than a normal strainer, but now I don't have to wash the strainer. This is a solid 5 stars. Now I just have this tiny little thing to wash.
Just use a normal clothes.